Hey District 10, what's up? My name is Paul Artale and I have a question for you. What are you doing the weekend of May 5th? If your answer is nothing, then you need to come to the district conference. If your answer is, I have something, then cancel those plans and still come to the district conference. My name's Paul Artale. I'm a work-life speaker and motivational speaker, and I'm going to be presenting my workshop, The 2-Year-Old's Guide to Work-Life Balance. How do you fit work, life, and Toastmasters into what's already probably a very busy schedule? And we're going to go through it. The workshop is based on my book that comes out in October of the same name, The 2-Year-Old's Guide to Work-Life Balance. And it's high impact, it's high energy, and we're going to come away with some practical solutions that'll get you on a path that'll bring better harmony between all of these domains in your life. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here's what some workshop participants have said.
My name is Crystal Mosier, and tonight I listened to Paul Artale's speech on A 2-Year-Old's Guide to Work-Life Balance.
This is Chuck Dodge. I'm Mr. Enthusiasm, and I've just listened to a very inspiring presentation by Paul on the work-life balance.
I'm Diane Bedore, and I just came out of a presentation by Paul Artale. It was so invigorating. It was on work-life and home-life balance.
Hi, I'm Kathy Brooks, and I just saw a presentation by Paul Artale. It was about work-life balance.
And he had this great analogy about the plate and all the different things that could end up on our plate, whether we chose them or not, and then to make that shift, to say no to certain things.
And he talked about his new book, and he just drew the audience in. He drew the audience into thinking about their lives. How do you want your life to be? How can you change your life?
It was extremely informative and a lot of fun. He put a lot of energy and personality into this presentation, made us think and really dig deep into what's important to you in your life.
I laughed more tonight at this event than I laughed all day long. That's how I learned, through laughter. It was fun, it was relaxing. I feel lifted up because of Paul Artale's presentation tonight.
Paul is an amazing speaker because he gives us the examples, and then he gives us the ideas and develops the presentation in such a way that you can understand it and see it and logically really take a look at, whoa, I got some changes to make there.
And I feel so happy that I had the opportunity to listen to this, and I'm thinking about it, and I'm going to work on those parts of my life that need to be changed. It brought that to attention.
I think it's really important for a presenter to relate and connect with their audience. Paul does that very, very well. He connected with each one of us visually as well as mentally, and it was a lot of fun because it kept our attention. We kept moving, we kept doing a lot of interactive things, and that's really important in a presentation, to hold the attention of your audience.
What I enjoyed most about the speech is the humor in it. Paul Artale really makes me laugh. And I would certainly recommend him to an audience of anyone who would like to have rich nuggets to consider regarding how to create more balance and more harmony in your life. So thank you, Paul Artale. What a great night. I'm telling my friends.
There you have it. Not just from me, but from people who have already been to my workshop. So come to my workshop. We're going to have some fun. I hope to connect with you at the conference. And until then, because this is going to be the first in probably a couple of video series, I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box below or look at my contact information that comes after this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in Akron.